no other God who's able to cure and satisfy man's innermost needs. There is no other God who's able to give us renewed strength when our strength is flagging. I heard the prophet Isaiah said, have thou not known, have thou not heard, that the everlasting God, the Lord, the creator of the ends of the earth, fainteth not, neither is weary. There is no searching of his understanding. He gives power to the faint, and to those that have no might, he increaseth strength. Even the youth shall faint and be weary, and the young men shall utterly fall, but they that wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and I don't know any other God. If you'll excuse my impotence, I don't know